Welcome to our smart agriculture platform, designed to empower farmers with the latest technology for better decision making. This website brings together crop prediction, mandi rates, disease detection, and weather-based simulations, all in one simple, mobile-first platform available in English, Punjabi, Oriya, and Hindi. Built with a powerful full-stack setup using Python, Flask, and a responsive front-end, it's made to be fast, secure. This section shows live mandi rates across different regions. The data is updated in real time so farmers can compare prices before selling their produce. With our multilingual support, even small farmers can easily access market insights in Hindi or English, giving them the power to make better financial decisions. Here, farmers can explore crop yield predictions. Our system uses advanced machine learning models like Random Forest and TensorFlow, trained on open datasets from AgriStack, the India Meteorological Department, and Kaggle. By entering basic details such as crop type, soil, and season, farmers get accurate yield forecasts and even disease risk detection, helping them plan ahead with confidence. Weather plays a key role in farming. Our platform integrates live weather updates using the Open Weather Map API and simulates crop growth conditions. Farmers can see rainfall, temperature, and seasonal trends, helping them prepare for climate challenges and make informed decisions. And here's Bheem, our AI-powered chatbot built using Google's Gemini API. Farmers can simply ask questions in natural language, like, which crop should I grow this season? Or, what's the best way to protect against pests? And Bheem responds with tailored, data-driven advice. Farmers used to farm on their experience, but this AI will shift them more to our data model as it will also give them why to believe it. Next, we have the disease detection tool. Farmers can either upload a picture of the affected crop or simply describe the symptoms in their own words. After that, they choose the crop type, its growth stage, and the affected area. Our Krishi AI then analyzes the input and provides a diagnosis of what the disease might be, how severe it is, and the best treatment options. Farmers also get preventive measures for the future and, if needed, suggestions for expert consultation. Behind the scenes, we use powerful tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Joblib to handle models, with PostgreSQL on a serverless Neon setup for scalable storage. Drizzle ORM keeps everything lightweight and efficient, ensuring fast and smooth performance for farmers, even on mobile devices. Security is at the core of our platform. With HTTPS, input validation, session-based authentication, and encryption, farmers' data is always protected while using the website. From predicting yields, to checking mandi rates, to receiving personalized guidance from our AI chatbot, every feature is built to empower farmers with practical tools, while showcasing the scalability and innovation of modern full-stack and AI technologies.